Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
The process is very good. It's shown an improvement over the years. The Electoral Act has worked wonders. What the National Assembly has done has proved to be very good. The system has been changed. You have beavers now that is an improved from the card reader. Accreditation of voters is very effective, and you can see the validation and critical segments of the elections, having the integrity as expected. We are improving. We are improving tremendously.
So on the issue of security, sir, a number of people were expecting that the military and the police would be rolled out in large. But looking at Lagos and all the other reports that arise those inspecting around the country, we're not seeing them in numbers, but everything still seems to be fairly calm so far. Do you have any concern about security, and do you have any feedback from any of your followers who are members of APC? And secondly, in terms of the duration of the registration process, how long did it take you, and are you happy with how quickly you were able to get through that process?
Accreditation didn't take me but a minute to be accredited as a valid voter. And as the person who is owning the card, the voting exercise itself was smooth. The distribution of the voters, the voting paper this time is shorter. I think because there are less parties contesting for various offices. That made it, more efficient and effective. For security, the security are doing their good job. They are not supposed to be in the area of voting. We don't want intimidation of voters. We don't want them to have fears. We don't just want them to corrupt the process. So they be around the country supervising various segments. We cannot have the number of security on one-to-one basis in every location. Peaceful locations don't require control, just require integrity of the people to behave, to comply with the system, vote and go. It's a celebration of freedom.
Very quickly, sir. One of the former presidents of Nigeria, President Goodluck Jonathan, was on air today. He said that the lives of Nigerians are more important than any politician's ambition. What would you say if you were not to emerge as the next president-elect of Nigeria? What would be your reaction to that?
Look, a Democrat, a true Democrat, must accept the result of a free and fair election. You, as a Democrat, must have faith in the system. And once you have faith in the system, it is not a problem to accept the result of a free and fair election. Perception is one thing. Rare occasions that you have, skirmishes or lack of confidence, is created by the politician, not, electoral process. Electoral process cannot see 100% perfection. People have to tolerate that. Equally, when you are talking of manipulation in some areas, you have to evaluate what is material. Materiality comes to play. How many compared to the total turnout or total number of voted? You've got to accept the result of a fairly responsible voters' decision. It is very important.
Okay,
Tim Cox from Reuters. When you were Lagos governor, it's generally accepted that things improved, security got better, the economy got better, things got a bit more organised. But since your party has been in charge of the whole country, insecurity has got worse, the economy hasn't been doing so well, and things are starting to look a bit more disorganised. I just wondered, why should Nigerians vote for you? And is that on the strength of what happens in Lagos, or on the strength of what your party has done with Nigeria?
I am Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I'm not the party. One, my track record and capacity should speak for me, should document the history of my performance. Nigeria can vote across the party, which they want. Vote for the individual. Party is a symbol and a platform for you to decide where you belong. What is the ideology? What will a progressive party like ours stand for? I have the agenda well published, well articulated, and I've worked so hard visiting various states and our public fora. I had been effective in selling my program. I've worked more than any other politician in this country to show the capacity and what is necessary. My program is well articulated, well distributed, and I've met the people on one-to-one, in town hall, in rallies, on individual focus groups, and others, being able to answer their questions. They've seen my track record in Lagos. Lagos is a nation by itself, I would say, and within the country. And I've performed exceedingly well. The record is there. Go and look at Lagos. You are in Lagos. Relate to the past. What had happened here before? We pick dead bodies on the road. We have rebels all over the place. We have a chaotic traffic system. We have, banditry, robbery, daytime and nighttime. Today, the night time of Lagos is back. You enjoy yourself tonight if you are not too busy. Go to a nightclub, enjoy, have fun. That's it. You see, Lagos is improved. Lagos has the capacity to be on its own. It has moved from the down below number 102 or so then to this third, second, fifth largest economy in Africa. Come on, clap for me.
Hola. Your Excellency, sir, when you got to Ikeja, the venue of the voting, you worked with a good number of people from a particular point to another point where you actually exercised your franchise. That was impressive, according to what we heard from people. Now, people want to turn around for the better in this country. If you eventually become the president of Nigeria, what are those three major areas that you focus on, like your message to Nigerians as they move forward to the future?
One of your colleagues mentioned security. You see, you have to provide security for the people. You have to emphasize security and be able to create the environment for private sector to invest for growth in the country. You have to define and bring the economy, revive the economy to the extent it will serve the largest number of people in a highly populated country like ours. Yes, you might see the challenge as trying to fetch water from a dry well. But it is possible. Yes, it is possible. We have to commit ourselves to it, integrity, character of people, their patriotism. We have to be involved in the civic education in terms of democracy. We have to be able to account for the account for stewardship is necessary. Accountability is part of the hallmark of democracy. You have to make the people your first priority. That includes security, economy, education, child education, and infrastructural development that we energize the workforce and build the country. It is a priority for me. I don't know of other candidates. I'm not here to sell Nigeria. I'm here to market Nigeria to the rest of the world. I'm ready to compete with the rest of the world. I'm ready to stimulate growth and form a transformative government, all inclusive, regardless of your political platform. I have done that in Lagos. It's not tribal, it's not religion, it's dedication to service. You're serving the people. You must commit yourself to that, to build a country. And that is what we are trying to do.
Then we'll take 2 more questions and we'll have it go.
So I would like to find out from you, sir. My name is Omo Bazwai from AIT, sir. Why do you feel very confident that you are winning these elections?
Because I've worked harder than anybody else. I have integrity. I have the greatest track record among them. Those who had been there before, what did they do? If they have done well, we won't be in this situation. That's why we need the changes. If they have done well for this country, yes, we can look at the world and say the ravages of diseases and COVID-19 and others has given us a setback in the value chain and delivery of goods and manufacturing and all of that. But still, you have to work a program that will get you out of the hole. And it's, knowing what to do, bringing the right people to be a team player. Teamship is critical in this matter. Nigeria has talents, potentials, but we cannot just continue to talk about potentials about the people if we don't use them and don't use them effectively well. The hallmark of a leader is his ability to do what ought to be done at the time it should be done.
Final question.
Let them go on.
Okay, you can start. Quick one, sir. My question is 2015. A lot of Nigerians will remember that Nigerians were yearning to have a change from PDP to APC, and you were one of the frontliners, headliners that said there's got to be a change. Why? Because the economy of Nigeria was in tatters in 2015. And what was said then was that we are broke as a nation. 2023, 8 years after, we're in a worse situation. That's what the economists are saying. And you just said now here that you're distancing yourself because you are H3ÁVY and Tinubu and not APC.
I'm not APC.
Yes, sir.
Is that not true?
That is very true, sir. So my question, sir, is
I cannot be the platform.
Yes, sir.
I can only use the platform.
Yes, sir. So my question
to reach the people.
Yes, sir.
I can only promote, and articulate my vision for my country. What I believe as a progressive government. Looking backwards, we cannot compare apple and oranges. Okay? What was the situation of the economy in 2015? The oil prices were up. We were producing 2 billion barrels of crude a day. What is the situation in 2019? We have a very deep dig in the oil prices. The production went to 900 barrels from 2,000. And this is a monolistic economy that depends on the oil production. Is it done by who? We have security that didn't do what they ought to be doing. We complain of oil theft. Our production capacity was known. We have a government that spent close to 15 years, if not more than that, I don't have the data, to amend and improve on Petroleum Act. They didn't look for the bottleneck. They didn't accelerate their collaboration with the National Assembly. They didn't get the private sector oil company involved. They didn't keep their promise. That's why we operated They went away. The challenge we face in 2019 is different. You have a dedicated leader, sincerely in Buhari, committed, but he's not an economist. He has to face, a very, very challenging situation of economy. He has to face population growth, graduate students unemployed, too many of them. They were not creative enough to accommodate, creative ways of getting the economy going in so many areas of opportunity. Even social media is now a source of revenue for some people. Talented artisans and all of that, creative industry was not well promoted. And all of that cumulated in less energy for the economy. The vision is different.
So with your vision, sir?
I mean, with my vision, it's different. You could see Lagos. You could see the infrastructural improvement. You could see the taming of the Atlantic Ocean. Go there now and see. If you don't bring and convince the private sector on the need to collaborate and work together to promote the interests of the country, you cannot have progress. That is my own way. I've articulated my agenda. I've said the priority. I am a member of APC. I'm not the APC. I'm striving to become the leader of APC. If I become the leader of APC through this election, whether I will change the APC philosophy and attitude, you don't know what I will do. And I'm not ready to tell you that. I'm waiting for the result of the election. It is then I can rework. But I say the partnership between the private sector and the public sector are to be harmonized, encouraged. You look at various segments of the economy to actualize the dreams of Nigerians, including yours. And that is what is important to me. And I'm saying categorically, I'm better than the others. I've been exposed. I'm from a private sector background. What is innate, I can demonstrate. I've demonstrated that capacity, ability, and a vision in Lagos State. And I believe I am better than any other candidate running on this election today. I am. And I am confident I will win.
day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.